who's brushing up on his new superpowers. What verse you gonna throw at us next, Bible boy?
Hi, Barry. Hi, Terry. Hi, Chad.
What's the deal, Kent? You think you're better than us because you read that book?
No, Barry, I do not think I'm better than you, or Terry, or Chad. But I do think y'all should show some respect.
For what? Your big sky buddy?
The truth.
Ha! The truth. Only truth here is you can't handle a hallway fight if you try.
Barry, stop.
Make me.
Oh, my arm!
Dude, your arm looks bent.
Bible boy.
Just leave me alone, Kent.
You should have the nurse check that out, man. Yes, Billy.
An object will stay in motion or at rest until acted upon by an outside force.
Yes, very good. An object.
What happened? Everyone's saying you broke Barry's arm.
Don't worry about it, John. I pushed him and he tripped. I still feel like it was my fault, though. I wasn't just playing Jesus in that moment. What do I do, Jane?
It's okay, Kit. I know that's how that feels, but, well, right now it's not the best time. Miss Anne's been ballistic about you missing class.
Are you in trouble?
Trouble? Miss Anne's gonna make him regret his whole life.
Kent, care to explain why you're late?
I was helping Barry.
Barry Cuda, how nice of you to join us. Care to explain your absence?
I tripped.
And why do I feel like there's more to the story?
Bible boy attacked him! Kent would never do something like that. Yeah, he's so nice all the time.
Will you guys stop? He didn't attack me. Miss Anne, he pushed me and I tripped. That's it.
Good to know. Kent, Barry, you have detention after class for fighting.
Barry, I'm sorry.
For what? I told you it's not your fault.
I pushed you, Barry. Maybe it's not all my fault, but I still feel responsible.
I didn't exactly handle things right. You stood up for yourself. Nothing wrong with that.
But that's not what my faith is about. I'll show some grace, not anger.
Grace?
Yeah, like how God shows us grace even when we mess up.
You're saying God cares about someone like me?
Definitely, more than you know.
All right, boys. Remember that fighting is not allowed. You guys are free to go.
I don't fully understand, but maybe you could teach me some more sometime.
Anytime, Barry.
See you around.
Barry, wait. I want you to have this.
Thanks.
Barry, what are you doing? Don't you dare touch Kent.
If you want to fight him, well, too bad.
Yeah, you have to get to us first.
Wait, no. I just had some questions about this.
What questions?
I just finished up this last bit of Matthew.
Yes, what about it?
So there's this guy, and supposedly he died for us, and I don't get why.
It's because he loves you, and his name was Jesus.
That's actually really comforting.
It was when I found out for the first time.
Are you saying what I think you're saying?
Do you believe in Jesus?
I guess that's what I'm saying.
Awesome.
It's great.
Oh, sorry. You should come to church.
Oh yeah, I'm just down the road.